Hey there, people. How's it going? All right. So what we're talking about today is EnviroCide Safe Disinfectant Cleaner. Okay. Now, what EnviroCide is actually, it's a disinfectant liquid that we use to clean surfaces. That it kills bacteria, fungus, and anything that's viral. Pretty much anything. It's works the same way as, say, a bleach would, a very strong bleach. It really, really is a very good way to sanitize anything that, say, has had any kind of bodily fluids on there, and or anything that could be infectious. It's classically used in laboratories to sterilize and sanitize different equipment, and basically it's mostly used for flat surfaces, like hard, non-porous surfaces, like tabletops, floors, counters, sinks, things like that. Anything for, keeping the surface sanitary, that needs to be sanitary. Yeah. Like I said, I work in a lab, and I've used this EnviroCide for many years now. And in my line of work, there's a lot of possible bloodborne pathogens that could be around, because we work with blood and sera, things that are considered bodily fluids. And we actually need to, sanitize and, kill anything that may be lingering that was in one of the samples, or anything. If there's a spill or any kind of accident to where you need to clean that up and sanitize the area, you would use this. This is very, very good for that. And they use this in laboratories, hospitals, places like that, mostly in the medical field. You could use it at home. It works the same way, just to disinfect anything. I mean, you don't want to get this on your hands, and definitely keep it out of the reach of children. It's not for like any kind of fabric or carpeting or anything that is absorbent, nothing that can soak it up. It's not for that. Even though it will probably, it work just the same as far as disinfecting and killing all the things that would be in that item that you're trying to clean. It's not ideally meant for that. It's ideally just meant for hard, non-porous surfaces. Yeah, so that's just how it is. That's what it's used for. Now, this has been around for many, many years. I've used it for many, many years. And you would think just using like a regular surface cleaner, like just like soap and water, or any kind of just regular cleansing fluid would be enough. But a lot of times, if you have things in the area that could be infectious, you want to use something especially for that, to get rid of that. So EnviroCide is that choice. It kind of has a bit of a strong smell. It's not super crazy, terrible smelling. Bleach is actually stronger as far as the smell, but it does have a particular smell it's not going to be like lemons or anything like that. It has a kind of like a chemical fluidy smell. So just expect that, but it's not a lingering smell. So if you're gonna put this down and say wash the tabletop with this, you're not gonna have to worry that smell coming from the bottle is just gonna linger. No, it doesn't. This works very well, and I've used it for years, and it disinfects everything. It will get very clean and sanitary. Okay, well, we've been talking about EnviroCide Surface Disinfectant Cleaner. Yeah, this is very good, and usually you would use this in a spray bottle. Okay, I'll tell you that. And you would spray it down just like any other cleaner and then wipe it clean. All right. Well, I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you again next time. All right. Bye-bye.